Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to play a video in augmented reality using reality kit in native iOS application. So let's get started. So first I'll show you guys the output. So here I will show you both, like suppose if I want to play a video from a network URL, I will show you that in this output, as well as suppose if I want to pick a video which is present inside my photos app, I can do that as well. So here you can see the output. So I have this press me button as well, which just selects a video from your photos app. But I think in the first output I'm showing a video. Okay, so I'm clicking on it, and once you select a video, then again you have to tap on this camera which I have. If you don't tap it, then you won't see the video. You have to tap on this AR view which we have, and make sure you have appropriate lighting in your room. So now I'm tapping on it, and here you can see the video being played. So that's it for how you can select a video. Now I'm just changing some code, and I'm rerunning my app again so that I can play a video from a network URL. So here I won't press the press me button. I will make sure the lighting is proper in my room, and I'll just click on this AR view or the camera view which we have. And sometimes it does take a little bit of time depending on the lighting on your room. So but here you can see that I'm able to play this particular video. So even if I move my camera, the video stays at the same place. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how to do this. So here I have created one native iOS application. I am using UI kit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And firstly I have added this camera usage description as well as this photo library usage description. Camera usage is for our AR scene, and photo library for picking videos. If you are not, then you don't need this particular permission. Then inside view controller I have just imported AR kit, reality kit, photos UI, AV foundation for playing the video, as well as I don't think we require combine as well as this. Just let me quickly check. I think this was part of my debugging. Sorry about that. So yeah, you don't need all this stuff. So yeah, so here I am creating our AR view as well as one button, and this will this variable will this variable will hold the value for the selected video from our photos app. If you are not using photos app video, then you can ignore this. Here we are just setting our AR views NS layout constraints, initializing our button as well as adding a click listener to it, then adding NS layout constraints for our AR view as well as our button. And here we are setting tab detection for our AR view. So if I show you this particular method, here you can see I'm just adding click listener for our AR view. And if you see, once you click on your AR view, it again creates a recast, which I'm not really good at, and whatever you have, it just adds it to your screen. So I will come back to this add screen code later on, but quickly I'll show you. Suppose if you want if you are picking videos from your photos app, I will show you that particular code. So click on that button, we are first checking for permission. So this is how we are checking for permission. If I have the appropriate permission, then I just call pick video, otherwise I just display this print message. So here inside pick video, I set the selection limit as 1, filter by videos, and once the video picker has been presented, the callback comes over here. So I have created this extension extending PH picker view controller delegate. Now this is some boilerplate code which you have to write. So once we get the video, we have to store it in ignore this code for now, just concentrate on this. Once we get the result, we have to save it to a temporary location so that we can get the proper file URL. So that's what I'm doing over here. So you can just copy paste this code. So once we have a proper URL, I'm just calling this wrap up function, passing the destination URL. In case if there is any error, I'm passing that as well. Okay, so if I scroll back up, here you can see this is the wrap up function. Once we have the once this wrap up function is called, we are just dismissing our picker, and then we just call handle pick video result method, which I will show you shortly. But in case you miss, this is the code for it. If you want, you can pause the video and copy paste all this code. Alright, so we'll come back to this handle pick video result method, which is over here. So here I'm just checking if it is proper URL, then just assign it to our selected URL variable, otherwise just display an error. Okay, now coming back to once you tap on your AR view, so suppose you are loading a video from a network URL, then you can just pass your network URL over here. We just create our AV player item, and here we create an AV player, then we generate our plane, like how exactly big, or you can play around with the width and height value to change how exactly your video should be. Then we create a video material, then create a model entity, and then we just do anchor entity dot add child, add an anchor, and start playing the video. Now if you are not playing video from network URL but instead picking from your Photos app, you will have to use this particular code. Everything else will remain the same. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.